In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Taskbar, missing and disappearing issues in Windows 11 Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by pressing Control plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once it opens, make sure you're on the Processes tab, then scroll all the way down until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your system interface, and in many cases, your taskbar will immediately reappear. If the taskbar is still missing, look at the top left corner of Task Manager, click File, then select Run New Task. In the box that appears, type explorer.exe and click OK. This manually relaunches the Windows interface, which includes the taskbar. If that still doesn't fix the issue, click File and select Run New Task again. This time, type CMD, check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges, then click OK. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete, as this will check and repair any corrupted system files. After that finishes, type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press Enter. This command repairs the system image and can resolve deeper issues, causing the taskbar to disappear. Next, in the same command prompt window, type the command shown on your screen exactly as it appears, then press Enter. This step resets a background service that can sometimes cause the taskbar to break. Your computer will automatically restart after running this command. Once your system is back on, open Settings, go to Personalization, then click Taskbar, expand taskbar behaviors, and make sure Automatically Hide the Taskbar is unchecked. This ensures your taskbar stays visible at all times. If you're using multiple monitors and notice the taskbar disappears only on one screen, press Windows plus P and switch to PC screen only, then switch back to Extend. This forces Windows to redraw the display and often restores the missing taskbar without needing another restart. After following these steps, your taskbar should now be stable and visible again. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.